Hello friends, in this video lecture, we will see types of connections used in data communication and network. We know that network is connection of two or more devices which are connected through links. And link is a communication pathway that transfer data from one device to another device, that is between sender and the receiver. So on the basis of communication pathway, there are two types of connection. First one is point-to-point connection and second one is multi-point connection. Let's see these two connections one by one. First one is point-to-point connection. So this point-to-point connection provides a dedicated link between two devices, between sender and the receiver. In point-to-point connection, entire capacity of the link is reserved for transmission between those two devices. Here only two devices are there, that is sender and receiver. Because of these two devices, this link is purely reserved for the transmission between the sender and the receiver. Most point-to-point communications use an actual length of wire or cable to connect two ends in case of wired network. And in case of wireless network, it uses microwave or satellite link or radio communication. And the example is that when you change television channels by infrared remote control, you are establishing a point-to-point connection between remote control and the television's control system. So that is the example of point-to-point connections we use at home. Here in this diagram, you can see there are two devices. First one is sender and another one is receiver. So there is one communication link, that is path between sender and receiver, which is reserved for the communication between these two devices only, that is the sender and the receiver. Next one is the multi-point connection. This multi-point connection is also called as multi-drop connection, in which more than two specific devices share a single link. This type of structure is there as far as the multi-point or multi-drop connection is concerned. Here there is a mainframe computer which is basically sender, and there are three stations as receiver. In order to share all these four components, there is establishment of link which is shared amongst all these components. So that is known as multi-point connections. Means all this receiver receives data through this single link. In a multi-point environment, the capacity of the channel is shared either spatially or temporarily, that is either permanent or in a fixed manner or in a temporary manner. In multi-point connection, if several devices can use the link simultaneously, then that type of multi-point connection is known as spatially shared connection. And if user must take turns, then that type of multi-point connection is known as time shared connection. So that is about the multi-point connection. So for more such videos, stay connected here with the channel. Thank you for watching.